Hi, I'm Roberto Haas. I'm the assistant superintendent working on the Dripping Springs Elementary School.
And I'm Taylor Hanley, quality manager on the Dripping Springs Elementary School and Dripping Springs Middle School.
This project consisted of two schools that we were going in and renovating. It's about 170,000 square feet for this first phase, but it was the old elementary school and the old middle school.
So overall, the project schedule was about 56 days, about a week for demo, and we were doing everything from MEP upgrades, finishes, demo, new flooring. It was a really tight, compressed timeline. And phase one was completed on the 56-day schedule, and then phase two, the other half of both schools, will be completed this summer. I think one of the biggest things that we did early on is we brought a lot of the trades in, did field walks, so they could kind of get a feel for the space and understand like the amount of work that they were going to have to do in such a short period of time. And part of that too was just a lot of the pre-con. We had like 3D scans that allow the trades to kind of see the project without having to actually be on site. So we use Nifty for like all our orientations and the PTP and tracking manpower on site.
It was really helpful in Dripping Springs because what was normally about an hour-long process of making sure everyone took care of the paperwork was 5 minutes, and then everyone was headed to work. This project's building a better Texas because it's really giving back to the Dripping Springs community. Both of these schools haven't really been touched in a major way in 25 years. Being able to go in and just give them a new space, and even though we had to stagger it over a couple of summers, by the end of 2025, they should have these brand new schools ready for all those kids.